Alright, just got this dropped off. About to swap these headlights out for these. It's gonna look real good up against that black truck too. So, stick around. Thought I was tripping for a minute, but this boat really is crooked. Alright, went ahead, took this front end off. All it was a 10mm bolt on each side. I think it's supposed to be 4, but it was just 2. And then the push-in tabs here, there, and there. So if you can't pull them off just by pulling them, get you some pliers. Squeeze the back end, it'll pop right out. So now we can pull these headlights out, and of course 2 10mm bolts up here. You go from the bottom. It was a 10mm bolt right there. Yeah, all in there. So and that should be it. It's a little tight in there, but I'll put this phone down, I can get it out. Alright, as you can see with the new ones, they don't come with the signal light bulbs or the harness. So you got to take the harness off of the original one, move it over to this one, take the bulbs with it. So, and it's just these little torque screws holding this down. So I'm gonna go ahead and find some Torx bits and get all this stuff loose and switch it over. And I already got the HID bulb in here, and it comes with a different bulb for this. I think that's another H1. So yeah, and the bar, which has to be wired in with the park lights. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this going. Alright, so one side is in. The bar is wired up to the park light. So as soon as they come on, that comes on. HID bulb is in there, shining good. This is a 8000K. So just gotta do this other side now. And these things are tricky to get out, the factory ones. You gotta slide them basically all the way back and then kind of push down and tilt the top corner out first for them to come out. Because any other way, they're not coming out. So you gotta slide them back, tilt them down and forward. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, rock this one out, get that one wired up, and throw this grill back on, and then we done with this. And then to be on to the next project for the day. One more thing on these H11 harnesses for the, I guess most of these Chevys, the Silverados, the Impalas, I guess the Tahoes, all of the, just be on the lookout, because every now and then these things, like the other one was kind of like this, a little worse, but they end up melting a little bit. I don't know what is really causing that, or if the bulbs are just too strong for it. These where they at? There they go. So I don't know, but I know a lot of people with Impalas had these problems, so just something to be on the lookout for. All right, everything finished up. New lights put in. Go ahead and flip them on real quick. HIDs on the bottom. Regular lights for the high beams. Got the DRL bar going. On to the next one.